Mindset 1. Self-awareness. Self-awareness is the conscious knowledge of one's own character, feelings, motives, and desires. It's how you view yourself from a third party's perspective. For example, when you set for yourself a sales target and you feel fear of achieving it, thinking that it's impossible to do so, then self-awareness at this point would be to acknowledge that you're fearful and start to investigate inwardly to understand, why is there fear of growth? Does it stem from feelings of unworthiness or something even deeper? Having awareness creates the opportunity to make changes in our behaviors and beliefs because we're able to catch disempowering behaviors before they even become a part of our identity. To develop self-awareness, it starts with listening inwardly to your emotions, thoughts, and feelings. You first listen by identifying a situation in which you realize your beliefs don't serve you. Then detach yourself from that situation and inquire, why did you react in this way? Was it conscious, deliberate, on purpose, or was it out of fear, out of some sort of deeper level of fear? When you start practicing this on a daily basis, you'll be able to catch non-serving mindsets, limiting beliefs, and actions before they happen, and turn them into something that serve you better. Self-awareness has three aspects: self-control, self-reflection, and self-beliefs. You need to gain mastery over each aspect as a foundation to a bigger mindset. The first aspect is self-control. It's the ability to control oneself in terms of our emotions, our desires, and how we react to other people's behavior, especially in difficult and heated situations. The ability to exert self-control is called willpower. Heard of the quote, "If there's a will, there's a way"? When your willpower is strong, you'll be able to bring your team and company to a higher level and find a way out of challenges and adversities. Next is self-reflection, which is important for self-improvement. This is the part of acknowledging your wins and giving yourself feedback for improvement. To do self-reflection at the end of the day, sit down in a quiet area and reflect on what happened in the day. Was it your biggest lesson of the day? Something you can remember that was outstanding? Did you end the day as to how you intended it to be? Were your daily goals achieved? If not, why do you think it was not achieved? What you can then actively do to prepare for tomorrow and make things better is think. What can you actively do to prepare for tomorrow and make things better? Throughout this process, write your thoughts and suggestions on a piece of paper and have them as your personal or company goals. When you're setting your goals, be honest with yourself. Set goals that you're able to accomplish and strive to improve yourself day by day. This also translates into your company goals. The third aspect of self-awareness is self-belief. This is you believing in your talents and abilities with uncompromising conviction. This is very important because if you don't believe in yourself and don't believe that you're worthy of success, you'll be trapped in a self-fulfilling loop of self-sabotage. Here's a true story, and you've probably heard about this before, but lottery winners go broke within less than a year of collecting their winnings. If you do a web search on lottery winners who went broke, you'll see an extensive list. But why is that? It's because they weren't prepared to receive such a huge lump sum in one go. How big your business grows is proportionate to how big your mindset is. In order for your mindset to grow big, you must first discard your limiting beliefs. Take a look at your current belief system and ask if these beliefs are still serving you, or are they limiting your potential to be better? Discard any beliefs that do not serve or hold you back and install new beliefs that push you forward. Remember that you and your business will only grow as big as you do. So grow yourself and your mindset to be colossal. Mindset 3, commitment and consistency. Earning a seven-figure income is easy for some, but not all. Above all, success comes with consistency and commitment. In order to earn seven-figure income, you have to commit to learning and evolving constantly. To constantly grow is the only assurance that your business will remain relevant for years to come. And if you're not growing, quite frankly, you're dying. As a leader in your company, You need to handle the direction and strategy of the company. Hence, where the company goes is dependent on your vision of the company. A leader can learn and evolve by having the first mindset shared earlier on reflection. Write out your thoughts and feelings and journey within to get to the root cause of your problems. Thoughts lead to feelings. Feelings lead to actions, and actions lead to results. Here's a surefire way to assist you in improving yourself as a leader. Practice Kaizen. This is the practice of deliberate and continuous improvement. It has its origins in Japan and is roughly translated as, quote, good change. The primary focus of Kaizen is to eliminate waste. Following the Kaizen philosophy, you take small steps forward. The fundamental principle of Kaizen is to take incremental improvements over a period of time. It's a process and a long-term commitment, which means its maximum potential is only realized when it's adopted into your personal lifestyle and company culture fully. Here are 4 steps to practicing Kaizen. Step 1, identify an area which you'd like to improve on. It could be in your personal life or in the business. 2, identify small specific tasks that will contribute towards achieving your goal. This is to approach your objective in a step-by-step approach, and the intention is to make it easy so that you'll start in the first place. Refrain from the urge to do many things at once. 3, prioritize your actions. After listing all the possible actions, balance out prioritization with your schedule. If your schedule is packed, then do the easiest action, which requires the shortest amount of time. If you're feeling motivated and have more time, start with the action that will make the biggest impact to yourself and your company. And step 4, create a timeline for each task. The purpose for this is so that each action that you take gradually develops into a habit. This also helps you to keep track of your progress. Mindset 2, identify the big plan. Complementing your big mindset is having a big plan. Having a plan is crucial as it gives you clarity as to your priorities. To do this, on a piece of paper, write down everything you want to be, do, and have. Who do you want to be? What do you want to do? And what is it that you want to have? You may also list this down specifically for your business. Don't think, just write. Assume that money is not an issue, and if you write it down, it will be successful. So go all out for this. Pause this video, take 15 minutes, and do it now. Yes, now. Next, look at your full list and cross out goals that mean little to nothing to you personally. What I mean by that is if it doesn't excite you, move you, or scare you, cross it out because it would do little to nothing to challenge you to grow. At the end of it, you have a list of goals that truly mean something to you, and these goals are completed successfully. If they're completed successfully, your growth will be a quantum leap. To bring these goals into reality, set a time frame for that goal to be accomplished. Goals and dreams that are not acted upon are just wishes, or words and pictures on a piece of paper at best. For example, your business goal is to grow the business by 30% by setting up 3 more branches within 9 months' time. This is a measurable goal that has a quantifiable growth and a time frame for it to be achieved within. It's important for all of your goals to be quantifiable so you know your measurement of success. Next part is to take massive action. In the pursuit of taking action, you need to be mindful and self-aware of your actions. Are your actions effective and efficient? Are these actions taking you closer or further away from your goal? Track your daily actions in a productivity planner for greatest effect.